Hello and welcome to my new tutorial series. In this one we're going to be making a top-down survivor style game. I really wanted to start this tutorial series talking a little bit about game design. Now, we don't often do a lot about game design, but I'm going to quickly cover some of this. So if you're going to make a game, you probably want to make sure that you've written down at least what you think it's going to be and what it's going to look like. One of the best ways to do that is with a synopsis. So a synopsis has to cover things like who you play as, what the theme is, what type of game it is, what the objectives are, what the setting is and the challenge. You see it all the time on the front page of Steam when you want to look at a game. You'll see a quick game synopsis. You're trying to sell the idea to someone, but also writing it down gives you that opportunity to really consider all of the options and to look at different ways that you could do a particular game. I'm going to keep this one really simple. Here's my basic synopsis and you can see all the things that are in it. The next part is a little bit about the game design. It doesn't have to be fancy. You can see from this, you can get a rough idea of what the plan is for this video game. I've got my basic movement system. I've got some enemy spawns and how the enemies are going to kind of behave, and what one of the main hooks of the game is that you drop gold, and the gold upgrades your weapons. The weapons, I just had a little think about it, and again, like I said, you don't have to be fancy. You just need to write it down. This is a basic idea of what the different types of weapons are that we want to make in this game. So as you upgrade and get more gold, you get a slightly better weapon for everyone. Did a basic UI as well, so I'm keeping it as simple as possible. This is a rough idea of what the game is. I just want a health up the top and a gold up this side, and then you've got the sort of map in the middle with the player in the centre. To cut a long story short, basically I'm going to make something like Vampire Survivors, but I'm going to use this Kenny asset pack. You can see the link just on the screen right now. So if you want to follow along, we're going to start the series real soon. So you'll need to download that asset pack and we'll get ourselves started with this Vampire Survivor style video game tutorial series.